in my event angazi ubungoma wathwathi, you understand, bekakhona even indoda yakhe ikhona ube busy nomfana kaMseleku, they fucking each other. That's what she said to me.
With Selegu, I don't know, whatever, the son, and they're talking about you on her podcast. But funny enough, on Umungoma Festival, they were all over each other, even though her husband was at the festival. So clearly, she's also fucking him because we knew that they were busy together.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sello. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video. So you guys, Queen Lolo's expose about Ugogo Skuteni is currently trending today on all social media platforms. You guys, not only did she make those serious allegations that Ugogo Skuteni cheated on her husband Umonde Shange and had Itlof sex with Umpumelelo Mseleku. You guys, Queen Loli revealed that Gogo Maweni was actually the one who told her, who revealed the biggest secret, that Ugogo Skuteni is actually screwing Umpumelelo Mseleku, and texted her about the whole cloth ordeal. Maweni at the time she was still friends with Ugogo Skuteni. So Queen Loli leaked this audio which was sent by Ugogo Maweni telling her about the affair, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comments section, and of course don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video, guys, so that it reaches a lot of people. Guys, so thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this video. I will definitely and certainly be seeing you on my next video, and may God bless you all. Bye.